Hello guys, so we just woke up, it's very early in the morning, it's no sun out here and we are waiting for pickup from our agency KK Day because we are going to Similan Island. So it will be, I think, very nice island tour. On the pictures it looks absolutely great, so I hope also it will be in the real life and you will see everything. I will be doing videos and we will snorkel there. It will be tour with 4 islands. I don't know exactly the names, but I will write it down below to the description, and also I will put there the link where you can order this island tour from KK Day. They are very good agency, so I think it will come in few minutes, so I will speak to you later on. See you. We just came to the pier and we just signed some travel insurance and we can have breakfast here for free, so it's very good. It's in the price, it's included. So this is how it looks here, and I think we will go to eat something a little bit. Right now we are just having a little snack. Service here is very nice because we are getting breakfast for free. You have milk, you have water, you have cereals, muesli, you have bread with butter, jam, coffee, I think everything. Then you can get here fins, snorkel, mask, so you don't have to bring nothing with you, and you will get also towels. And you have also here baggage room, so if you have some baggage and you want to leave it here, it's everything for free. It's very nice. Here is mini market, here is equipment, here are souvenirs, so you can buy even souvenir here, or you can also get the ocean pack for 150 baht for 1 day. And here towels, and you can leave your baggage here.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. We have our towels and snorkel set, so if you want to go to Maldives, it's very close from here. It's just 10,000 kilometers, but Similan Islands is just 70 kilometers, so I think it will be like 1 hour by boat. I don't know exactly how fast it's going, but I think this will be our boat, so we will see. It's looking very nice. I hope it will be not this boat.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. Sawadee krab. Don't have the yo. What else? Guten Morgen. Or whatever, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be a tour guide for the group of Purple. Woohoo! Very friendly. I would like to say that. I'm very easy. Whatever you have a problem, come to me. But if you want to have a problem with me, don't come to me. Yeah? We're gonna have 4 stops. We have 2 times beach and 2 times snorkeling.
We just came to our first stop. It's just the beach for relaxing. It's very nice, as you can see. Water is very beautiful, very nice color, so blue. So we are going to explore a little bit this island and you will see. We found this very good spot. If you will go from the boat, turn left and you will see this beautiful view. It's so beautiful. You can see all the beach and also something more. It's very, very beautiful. Okay, now we are going to enjoy a little bit and see you later on. Now we are going to snorkel on Vana Beach. I think it will be very, very nice, so we will see. I'm taking with me dome port for GoPro, so we will have very, very nice shots, half water, half surface. Right now we are going for the second snorkeling. First one was very, very beautiful, so I hope the second one will be also the same. But the water here is so beautiful, so blue. It's really beautiful. We are on Similan Island, very beautiful. There is beautiful viewpoint, and we are going to eat lunch. We are very hungry, everybody, so I hope it will be very good food, but for sure it will. We are on Similan Islands, and we found hidden place, hidden beach where you can swim with no tourists, because on the main beach there is lots of tourists. So I will put the GPS location and also the way how you can find it in the Patreon profile, so you can find it there. Look at this, it's so beautiful. We have to go to our boat. They are waiting for us. Then we will go to eat some dinner, and then we will go to hotel. So see you later. Thank you. Bye bye. We just came to the pier and it's very nice. You can have a like photo in the frame as a souvenir for 200 baht. Now we will go to eat. They have pad thai, they have mango sticky rice, coconut milk ice cream, and it's all free, so it's so amazing. I cannot wait. I'm going to eat. So see you. We are just having dinner and it's amazing. I have pad thai, and I have to say this tour was amazing, and maybe you will think you can get cheaper on the street, but be careful, because here you can get food, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and also free snorkeling equipment, free towels, and everything, almost everything for free, really. Also very important, they will take you exactly from the hotel to here, so you don't have to worry about nothing, really. And also they will take you back. So now we will go to the hotel. See you tomorrow!